If you want breakfast, you want a recipe. 2 minutes. You have excellent breakfast ready. It takes 2 minutes to do it and it's highly nutritious.
Of all the things, a groundnut, you know. I'm particularly passionate about the groundnut because there was a period of my life when I just lived on groundnut and banana, that's all. Because it has everything you need. Just soaked groundnut, one handful, this much of groundnut soaked overnight, one banana, my entire day would go. I'm perfectly active, more active than most people will ever imagine. It has everything to sustain you.
It's a complete food by itself. If you soak it for over 6 to 8 hours, it takes away certain aspects which are called as pitta. You know what's pitta? Allopathic doctors don't look at it, but the Ayurveda is based on this, Ushna, Shita and Pitta. It takes away the pitta. And taking this soaked groundnut, chewing it well and eating, just make sure it's not some genetically engineered nonsense, whatever, just make sure it's a more organic thing. If you want breakfast, you want a recipe.
Looking for a daily protein fix? Look no further. Here's a healthy, tasty and totally vegetarian protein shake that's just bursting with vitality. It's recommended by Sadhguru to consume this as morning breakfast, and it takes just 2 minutes to prepare. Groundnut Banana Shake, the ultimate pranic protein drink. Ingredients required for one person to fill a tumbler of 300 ml. Overnight soaked groundnuts, a handful or 50 grams. 1 ripe banana, around 5-inch size. Fresh extracted coconut milk, 200 ml. You can dilute with water if a thinner consistency is desired. 1 pinch of cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon honey. How to make the shake? Take the ripe banana and cut it into small pieces. Then take the overnight soaked peanuts and put it into a blender. Add the chopped banana into this. Then add a pinch of cardamom powder. Then add coconut milk. Then blend this until it's smooth. The power-packed pranic protein drink is ready to be consumed. You can add honey for a sweeter taste. You can enjoy this protein shake every day in the morning.
You have excellent breakfast ready. It takes 2 minutes to do it. And if you want it little watery, put more water into it and just drink it up. You want it like porridge, you make it thick and you eat it. You will see easily it'll keep you for 4 to 5 hours and it's highly nutritious.